Hello class, today in this video we will learn about verb. Verbs are of two types, principal and auxiliary. Very first we'll learn about principal verb or main verbs. Verbs which have meaning on their own, agree with the person and number of the subject and show the tense are called principal or main verbs. The principal verb usually refers to the base form from which other forms of the verbs are made. Alright. Now, auxiliary verbs. Verbs which are used along with other verbs to form the different tenses are called auxiliary or helping verbs. The main auxiliary verbs are the different forms of be, do and have and will or shall. Now here we also have to learn about what is transitive verb. Transitive verbs are action verbs that have an object to receive that action. A transitive verb sometimes takes two objects, one of which is a person and the other a thing. The thing which receives the action is the direct object and the person is the indirect object. Now, what is intransitive verb? Intransitive verbs are action verbs which do not have an object receiving the action. Okay. Now, have a look on finite or non-finite verbs. Very first, we will learn about finite verbs. You have learned that principal verb in a sentence is complete on its own and agrees with the subject in number and person. These verbs are also known as finite verbs. Okay. Non-finite verbs. Some verbs do not follow the rules of subject-verb agreement, nor do they denote the tense or time of the action. Such verbs are known as non-finite verbs. I hope that it is clear to you all.